we are less devotees, but we have very special fortune today to get association of His Grace Kanai Thakur Prabhu with us. Hari Bol. So I'll just very briefly introduce Prabhuji to all of you who are their first time uh, meeting you. So Prabhuji has been a source of inspiration, guidance to all of us, especially me from beginning of my Krishna consciousness uh, when I was student. So Prabhuji guided us through all this several years till here. And he actually is guiding many hundreds and thousands of devotees all over India and world. So there is a very big community of devotees in Pune. Prabhuji is based in Pune, ISKCON Pune. And there is one upcoming temple, a big community in Vishal Nagar. It's called ISKCON BCEC, where hundreds of devotees, thousands rather, on festival there are thousands of devotees coming. On Sunday program, 600-700 people come on a normal Sunday also. So that all that has come through Prabhuji's sharing of Krishna consciousness over the years now. And not only there, Prabhuji also travels all over the world, especially in India. In Thane, there is another temple, and Sambhaji Nagar, which is Aurangabad in Maharashtra. There also another temple he guides, a community of devotees, and many youth projects where several youths in IIT Bombay, IIT Hyderabad here with us, IIM, many youths are connected, inspired by him. Prabhuji did his MBA, no, I'll tell before, yeah, from Symbiosis, and later, because they'll want to know what is it, and later worked for some time. He's been the best employee those days when he was working.
That was 25 years ago.
Yeah, but I'm just telling them, they don't know about it. And then Prabhuji joined ISKCON Pune several years back. This is as full-time brahmachari to share Krishna consciousness, and now he travels all over world also. Almost 3 months or so in a year he travels to US, travels to many cities in US giving Krishna consciousness, and also regularly has online programs. So many people all over the world actually are connected with him, getting inspired. He's a guide and heart-to-heart friend to so many devotees, and definitely here also in CDEC, Hyderabad, Tellapur. We all, if you see the team of brahmacharis are trained by him. Many of the senior Grihastha devotees, they are also very nicely connected and guided by Prabhuji. And Prabhuji has been coming he's very merciful to come once in 2-3 months, he pays a visit. But because weekends are super busy for him. So seeing our small group, generally he doesn't come on the weekend, he comes on weekdays, and we cannot have all of you coming. Fortunately today he's there for Saturday till afternoon, and then again he's going to another place, to another city. So we somehow thought we'll try to grab his association for all of us, all of you here. So let us welcome His Grace Kanai Thakur Prabhu, expressing our gratitude by once loudly chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra as gratitude. We will welcome Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Thank you for inviting me amongst all of you. I'm grateful that on a Saturday afternoon, before noon, not afternoon, before noon, you all have found out time and you have come here. Janmashtami is just 2 weeks away. So we do this in Hindi or English? Mix. Okay. Okay, what would you prefer? आपको क्या चाहिए? इंग्लिश में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो, बताइए. हिंदी में बोलो. हाँ? सॉरी? इंग्लिश. बाप रे. सबको खुश करना है, इंग्लिश भी, हिंदी भी. ओके, विल ट्राई. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. तो मैं कह रहा था आप सबको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि आप आज इस ऐसे समय निकाल के आए हैं. भगवान के मंदिर में आना है ना, और भक्तों का संग करना, भक्तों का दर्शन लेना, टू कम हियर, इट्स वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट थिंग टू हैपन इन आवर लाइफ, राइट. तो चैतन्य चरितामृत में आता है, ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जीव। पूरे ब्रह्मांड में आफ्टर रोमिंग अराउंड द यूनिवर्सेस, द आत्मा सम डे कम्स टू, I'll come to temple and I'll come to genuine, people who are genuinely presenting what Krishna wanted to give, right? So it's actually a moment which we can celebrate, right? कि कई कई जन्मों के बाद आत्मा सही स्थान पर पहुंचता है, भगवान के पास पहुंचता है ना। तो अभी मैं कह रहा था जन्माष्टमी 2 हफ्ते के बाद है, तो आज हम जन्माष्टमी के उपलक्ष्य में थोड़ा चर्चा करने का प्रयत्न करेंगे। विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस समथिंग on the occasion of Janmashtami. We'll try to prepare our consciousness. Okay? Let us chant the prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो भगवत गीता में, इन भगवत गीता वी फाइंड कृष्ण टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज ओन अपीयरेंस। भगवान अपने जन्म के बारे में बोलते हैं, लेकिन भगवान जब अपने जन्म के बारे में बताते हैं तो कहते हैं जन्म कर्म च में दिव्यम, है ना। आत्मा के लिए, हमारे लिए भगवान ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलते गीता में कि आप सब दिव्य हैं, है ना। खुद के बारे में बोलते हैं जन्म कर्म च में, मेरा जन्म और मेरा कर्म दिव्य है। तो कोई प्रश्न कैसे कर सकता है कि अरे आप में से कितने लोग जेल गए? देख लेते, पूछ लेते, कोई गलत लोग भी आके बैठ सकते हैं ना इधर पे, तो एक बार पूछ लेना चाहिए। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू बीन टू जेल? नो एक्सपीरियंस? क्या बात कर, शी सेइंग यस सर, यू मे हैव विजिटेड। ओके, मैं जेल अंदर जाने की बात कर रहा हूँ, अंदर। सो लोग बोलेंगे अरे जेल जाते नहीं, ये जेल में पैदा हुए थे, समझ रहे हैं। हम लोग बोलते हैं जेल नहीं जाना चाहिए, गलत चीज नहीं, नो वी शुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, इलीगल, एंड डोंट गो टू जेल। जेल जाना अच्छा नहीं है ना। किसी के बेटी का शादी है, बोलेंगे हमारा बेटा 2-4 बार जेल जा चुका। ऐसी तो शादी नहीं करने का बाबा, 2-4 बार जेल जा चुका है, राइट। तो जेल जाना खराब है, जेल में पैदा होना कैसा दिव्य हो सकता है, सोचो। बट गीता में लिखा है ना, गीता में लिखा है ना। आप में से कितनों के भगवत गीता है खुद का? भगवता का कॉपी है, भगवता पढ़ा है आपने, आपके खुद का कॉपी। आपने भगवत गीता पे हाथ रखा है कभी? बताइए, कभी रखा है किसी ने हाथ? बहुत खराब लोग हैं। कोर्ट में तो गए पक्का, गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खाता हूं, जो भी कहूंगा। जेल नहीं गए, कोर्ट में तो पक्का गए, है ना। तो गीता में विच से ओ हमारा ग्रंथ है, धर्म ग्रंथ है, देयर कृष्णा इज इंट्रोड्यूसिंग हिमसेल्फ एंड सेइंग जन्म कर्म च में दिव्यम। अरे तुम्हारा जन्म कैसा दिव्य रे, तुम जेल में पैदा हुआ, जेल में जाते नहीं, जेल में पैदा हो गया। एंड कर्म दिव्यम, सुन के लगता है क्या दिव्य कर्म भाई। माखन चोरी करते थे, है ना, उसके बाद रासलीला किया, है ना, उसके बाद लोग इतना, सो मेनी फॉल्ट्स दे विल फाइंड विद कृष्णा। अरे लड़ाई तो इसने लगाया, ही कुड हैव स्टॉप्ड द वॉर, इवन गांधारी सेड कृष्णा यू कुड हैव अवर्टेड दैट वॉर, बट यू डिड नॉट ट्राई योर बेस्ट, राइट। So many times people find faults in Krishna, but Krishna is saying Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam, right? Why is his Janma and Karma Divyam? Krishna says in the next line, Evam Yo Vetti Tatvatah. We'll recite the verse. Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam, Evam Yo Vetti Tatvatah, त्यक्त्वा देहम पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सो अर्जुन. दिस इस चौथे अध्याय का 9वां श्लोक है, 4.9. कृष्ण सिंह जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम, माय जन्म एंड माय कर्म आर दिव्य. एवं यो वेत्ति तत्वतः, वन हु अंडरस्टैंड्स इट इन ट्रूथ, व्हाट विल हैपन? त्यक्त्वा देहम, यू हैव टू गिव अप योर बॉडी वन डे. आपको शरीर छोड़ना है, मृत्यु तो आएगा, फिर से जन्म नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? जन्म नहीं होगा इस संसार में. तो कृष्ण इज सेइंग माम इति, यू विल कम बैक टू मी. सो कृष्णा's appearance, जन्म कर्म is divya, right? But when Krishna comes to this world, most people, because they do not understand it in truth, they will always find faults with Krishna. They will say we are Hindus, they will say we study Bhagavad Gita, but they'll also find fault with Krishna. One time, Nehru ji, his first 5-year term got over, and in the next 5 years, there was something divya about India. Only they would win. I don't know how they would win always. Even the first 5-year term, he should not have been the prime minister. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel should have been there. 5 साल हो गया, नेक्स्ट 5 साल फिर प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने. तो नेहरू जी को लगा कि जरा देख के आना चाहिए देश कैसे चल रहा है. पहले 5 साल के बाद कैसा हाल है अभी देश का. सो आप में से कितने लोगों ने कुकिंग किया है? मैं ये साइड ही कुकिंग करता है जनरली. हाँ हाँ बोल रहे, देखो, है ना. अगर कुकिंग किया होगा, राइस पकाया होगा, तो राइस पक गया कैसे देखते? हाउ डू यू टेस्ट राइस पक गया? एक दाना को दबा के देख लो, राइस समझ जाएगा, राइट? नेहरू जी भी आपके जैसे होशियार थे. नेहरू जी ने क्या सोचा, चलो मैं मिलता हूं किसी को, देखता हूं, इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करता हूं. तो नेहरू जी ने सोचा पागल खाने में से पागल खाना जाता हूं. पागल खाना मतलब पता है आपको? सब हाँ बोल रहे, पता है बोल रहे. जेल भी पता है, आपको कोर्ट रूम भी पता है, आपको पागल खाना भी पता है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी? एनीवेज, सो नेहरू डिसाइडेड, जवाहरलाल नेहरू डिसाइडेड, लेट मी गो टू अ पागल खाना, अ मेंटल असाइलम. एक पागल को पकड़ के सामने बिठा दिया, और नेहरू जी आस्क्ड हिम, सी आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस. एंड द मेंटल गाय सेड, ठीक है पूछ. एंड नेहरू सेड, what is your name? And he told his name. And now the pagal, the mental guy said, wait, now I will ask you a question. Well, pucho. He said, what is your name? And Nehru ji said, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Well, very good. I will ask the second question now. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछने आया था, तू ही पूछता है, पूछ ले. And the mental guy said, what do you do? And Nehru ji said, I am the Prime Minister of India. And the mental guy said, why don't you also come inside? जब मैं बाहर था मैं भी ऐसी सोचता था. Krishna comes to this world and what do? We also think अपने जैसा ही होगा, थोड़ा स्पेशल होगा, उससे ज्यादा क्या हो. He sing दिव्य, जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम. But when we do not understand it properly, तत्वतः, then we find faults with Krishna. We minimize Krishna. We do not understand Krishna. We misunderstand Krishna. But we need to understand Krishna properly. Janma, karma, chame, divyam. That my appearance and my activities are transcendental. Divya hai. Divyata kya hai usme? So, Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of ISKCON, at different times he was asked this question, right? Like in the Hindi cinema, there's a song, दुनिया बनाने वाले. क्या बात करें, जेल वाले थे, कोर्ट रूम वाले थे, बॉलीवुड वाले नहीं है इधर में. दुनिया बनाने वाले क्या तेरे मन में समाई, काहे को दुनिया बनाई. ओ गॉड, व्हाई डिड यू मेक दिस वर्ल्ड? Why have you created this world? When Prabhupada was asked this question, why has God created this world? At different times, Srila Prabhupada answered it differently. Once when he was asked, why did God create this world? Prabhupada said, for enjoyment. And the person who asked that question was very happy. God created for enjoyment. And then Prabhupada added, not yours, God's. Krishna created the world for his enjoyment. And that answer was not very likable. Another time Prabhupada was asked this question, Swamiji, why did God create this world? And Prabhupada answered this time, to take you out of this world. Understand? Krishna did not create this world to keep us in this world. क्या करना था? भगवान को प्यारे होना है ना. होना है आप लोगों को भगवान के प्यारे? किसको होना है? किसी को नहीं होना. भगवान का प्यारा नहीं होना आपको. Krishna has created this world. Why? That we get out of this world, not to remain in this world. Why does the government create a jail? Everything is there. Sleeping arrangement is there. Sometimes television is given, food is supplied. Yet not that the person, that the inmate will remain there, so that the inmate will get out of the jail. Reform yourself and come out of the jail. That's the purpose. Similarly, why has God created this world? God has created this world so that we'll get out of this world. We reform ourselves. His janma karma cha me divyam. If we understand it properly, in truth, Krishna is saying, you'll have to give up this body one day. As sure as death, it will happen. But those who have understood me properly will not remain in this jail, will not remain in this world. They will come back to me, to the spiritual world. Right? So, when I was in my school, every morning we would have a school prayer. And in that school prayer, we would hear Asato ma sat gamaya. Okay, स्कूल भी गए थे आप लोग. केवल जेल में ही गए थे, स्कूल भी गए थे. चलो अच्छे लोग हैं, स्कूल थोड़ा तो पढ़ाई किया है. असतो मा सत गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. How many of you recited this prayer? Okay, how many of you know the proper meaning of it? What does this prayer mean in Sanskrit? What is the meaning? See, I was the one who asked question to my teacher. What is the meaning of this? And my teacher told me, Asato ma sat gamaya. This world is asat. This world is not true. Sat gamaya. Go to that world which is sat. Tamasoma. This world is a place of darkness. Jyotir gamaya. Go to that world which is eternal light. Mrityorma. This world is the place of mrityu. Amritam gamaya. Go to that world which is amritam, deathless. So early morning, my school prayer was telling me, this is not the place. Go to that world, another world, where Krishna is saying, you will come back to me if you understand me properly. Right? And when I was very small, my mother would put me to sleep. And my mother would sing a song. Now, आंचल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो. आपने सुना था? मैंने भी सुना, पर मैं सोया नहीं. आई आस्क्ड माय मदर, ऐसा जगह है? इज देयर अ प्लेस जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो? मेरे आंख से आंसू क्यों आया पता? मम्मी ने एक थप्पड़ मारा. सो जा चुपचाप. सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पूछता रहता है. बट इट हिट मी, बॉलीवुड इज टेलिंग देयर इज अ प्लेस टू गो जहां गम भी नहीं आंसू भी नहीं. माई स्कूल प्रेयर इज टेलिंग मी अनदर वर्ल्ड यू हैव टू गो, नो डेथ, इटर्नल लाइट. राइट? Then when I studied in my 11th and 12th grade, I studied in a seminary college there where they would teach Bible also. In the Bible they say you have to go to kingdom of God. I had a friend, Muslim friend, Shahnawaz Alam. He would tell me that Islam says Jannat jana hai, and our scriptures are talking about Vaikuntha. Right? So Bollywood, another place. My school prayer, another place. Right? All the religions, another place. One time I was going from Pune to Nashik, right? And I was intrigued. Highway के एक side में बड़ा बड़ा छतरी, big umbrellas. But how do you hold the umbrella like this, right? There the umbrellas were like this, dish antennas. Right? So I went and asked them, hey बाबा, छतरी के पानी भर रहेगा छतरी में? छतरी ऐसा रखना चाहिए, ऐसे क्यों रखा है? And अरे छतरी नहीं है, dish antennas है. And I asked them, what are you doing? They told me we are trying to catch electromagnetic waves. For what? And the scientists told me we are convinced that we are not the only beings in this entire creation. Somebody more intelligent than us must be trying to communicate. मैं बोला अरे बॉलीवुड भी यही बोल रहा था, मेरा स्कूल का प्रेयर भी बोल रहा था, कोई तो जगह है. Religions are talking, even science is convinced we should not be the only intelligent beings in this world. There must be somebody more intelligent. And what is Prabhupada telling this reporter? Why does Krishna come to this world? To take us out of this world. To take us where? To take us to this spiritual world. So this Janmashtami, we should celebrate understanding Krishna comes to this world. For what? To take us out of this world. To take us back to that Vaikuntha where we belong. A world of deathlessness. Right? How many of you want to get old? You are planning. थोड़ा ऐसा क्रीम लगाए बुढ़ापा जल्दी आए. नहीं, कोई नहीं कर रहा. How many of us want to die? Nobody wants to. We all are looking for a life of deathlessness, a life where there is no suffering. This is not the world. Kuntha means a place of suffering. Vaikuntha means a place of no suffering. We all are looking for it, right? Krishna comes to take us to such a world. But how does Krishna do that? That is the point of our discussion for today's session. Shall we begin? Okay. So, Prabhu, previous to Prasadam is at 4 o'clock today. You're all good? Good enough? Lunch is at 4 o'clock? It's fine? सब खा के बैठे, मेरे को लग रहा है ये साइड एटलीस्ट, ये साइड फुल खा के बैठा है, ये साइड वो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा. क्या बात कर रहे प्रभु जी, हमको 2 दिन से कुछ खाने को नहीं मिला घर पे, आज मंदिर में आए थे टाइम पे प्रसाद मिलेगा. एनीवेज, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाई डज कृष्ण कम टू दिस वर्ल्ड? नॉट टू कीप अस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. द होल आइडिया इज हाउ डू आई टेक द सोल out from this world to the next world, right? How does Krishna achieve that purpose? So I was saying we don't want death. Nobody likes to die. One time there's an old man, he was crossing the forest, right? When he was crossing the forest, a lion came in front, right? And the lion was about to attack, and this old man tried to argue with the lion. मत खा मुझको, मैं बूढ़ा हो गया. तो क्या हो गया? मुझको भूख लगी है, मुझको खाना है. Then the old man said, अरे मेरा खून ठंडा हो गया होगा रे, गर्म नहीं होगा. And the lion said, आज कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने का इच्छा है. So death, what happens? Young or old, the lion of death is after us. And as soul, we don't want to die. The body will die. The soul never dies. The soul does not want to undergo birth, old age, disease, death. Krishna says, I have come to take you out of this world. How does Krishna take us out of this world? Srila Prabhupada in one conversation gives 3 ways. So Janmashtami, Krishna is coming to do what? Not to keep us here. Janmashtami will be successful when we decide, yes Krishna, your plan is to take me out of this world. I am ready. I also belong to that world, Vaikuntha, and I agree to come with you. But I should be agreeing, right? So how does Krishna achieve his purpose of taking us out of this world? Srila Prabhupada says 3 ways. Okay, so we'll discuss those 3 ways which Prabhupada says how Krishna takes us out of this world. Okay, so आपको सुन के थोड़ा खराब लगेगा, लेकिन एग्जाम्पल एकदम फिट होता है, इसलिए प्रभुपाद ले रहे हैं उस एग्जाम्पल. So Prabhupada says, just as when you have a donkey, मैं जब भी ऐसा बोलता हूँ, just as when you have a donkey, the Mataji start looking like towards their husband. Hai. Right? The donkey. How many of you have kept a donkey with you? No. If you have to take a donkey to the water, it's not easy. It's not easy to make a donkey work. Right? Very difficult to deal with a donkey. But if you have to take the donkey to the water, Prabhupada says the donkey does not agree to move. The donkey is very stubborn. What is the way? There are three ways, Prabhupada says. Why is a donkey being taken to water? किसी को समझा एग्जाम्पल अभी तक? Because we have to be taken back to spiritual world. The donkey doesn't want to go to the water. वैसा अपना क्या है? We also don't want to go. We also don't want to go. How? Right? We want to be in this world. जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा. Such songs we'll sing. But the purpose of life was, the human form of life is given to us so that we'll get out of this world, we'll go back to spiritual world. Just as the donkey को धक्के दे दे के काम नहीं बनता, then the donkey, the owner of the donkey does three things. So Prabhupada says in this conversation, similarly Krishna does three things. The first thing that Krishna does is, or with the donkey what you do is, you show a carrot to the donkey. डोंकी के साथ क्या करते हैं, उसके सर पे ऐसा एक लकड़ी लगाते हैं और सामने लकड़ी के एक कैरेट लगा दो, गाजर लगा दो. अभी क्या करेगा डोंकी? Donkey will move forward to eat the carrot, but every step the donkey takes, what happens? The carrot is also, you have heard, right? In corporate they'll show carrot. Corporate carrot, you are all aware, and the donkey will keep on working, right? So what does Krishna do? Prabhupada says, Krishna shows the carrot. What is this carrot? Krishna comes to this world and his beautiful form, his Tribhanga form is beautiful. Krishna is so beautiful. Everyone is attracted, right? So what does Krishna mean? Krishna means Sarva Akarshati iti Krishna. Krishna who is all attractive, जो सबको आकर्षित करे. And Srila Prabhupada says in Vrindavan, the cows are attracted to Krishna. The calves are attracted to Krishna. Yamuna stops when Krishna plays his flute. The gopis are attracted to Krishna. The gopas are attracted to Krishna. Everyone is attracted to Krishna. When Hiranyakashipu asked Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad, everyone is fearful of me. Why are you not? Where do you get your power from? Right? And Prahlad Maharaj, and why do you get attracted? Where is this attraction of God coming into you from? And Prahlad Maharaj answered, my attraction to God is like iron filings getting attracted to magnet. लोहे को मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए, इसके लिए ट्रेनिंग नहीं देना पड़ता. The iron naturally gets attracted to the magnet. Prahlad Maharaj says, as Atma, I am naturally attracted to Krishna. Right? Like if the wife in front of the husband says, बाजू वाला कितना हैंडसम है ना, what will happen to the husband? Husbands, please, whoever is married, your wife tells you, बाजू वाला बहुत हैंडसम है. Hey, my wife is so bad, how can she speak like this? But the same wife tells the husband, Krishna is so beautiful. Huh? And this time what will the husband say? My wife is such a nice devotee. What is the difference? Why such a difference? This time the husband's ego did not come up. Why? Heart of heart, we all know, we all belong to Krishna. He is no Parapurusha. He is everyone's master. Krishna's beauty is all attractive. But what happens when we are not attracted to Krishna? The so-called actors, actresses, some beauty for some time, and their beauty also does not last. Very soon. And the same actors or actresses, when you see them without makeup, ये मेकअप करके इतना ब्यूटी था सारा. कृष्ण डज नॉट नीड टू डू मेकअप. राइट. जब मेकअप नहीं होता था तब ब्रेकअप भी नहीं होता था. है ना. लेकिन कृष्ण इज नेचुरली सो ब्यूटिफुल. सो वन टाइम वन यंग मैन saw an old lady. This old lady was bent and she was walking. Old, she's got bent now. And this young man thought, I'll make fun of her. Right? And this young boy, he said, what did you lose that you are bent down like this and searching for? क्या ढूंढ रहे जमीन पे ऐसा? क्या गिर गया आपका? And this old lady said, So this young man, adha pashyasi kim vriddhe, patitam tav kim bhuvi. Hey, oh lady, what did you lose on the ground that you are bent like this and searching for? And the old lady said, Re re murkha na janasi. Hey fool, you don't understand? Gato tarunyam mauptikam. I lost my youth somewhere here. That's why I am bent. When we are young, when we look at old, we think, बूढ़े लोग हैं. बेटा तेरा भी time आने वाला है, right? But Prabhupada would ask, have you ever seen a photograph of Krishna where he's old man? Why? Because Krishna's beauty is Satchidananda. He doesn't have a material body like us, which goes through birth, old age, disease and death. Right? When you see the cover page of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is around 128 years old. From his birth to even when he's speaking Bhagavad Gita. You can imagine? So Krishna's beauty is so attractive. This beauty attracts everyone. Like, how many of you know a cinema hall? I'm just checking कहाँ जाते हैं आप लोग. कोर्ट रूम गए, जेल गए, स्कूल भी गए, cinema. How many of you know cinema hall? You all have been to a cinema hall. What took you to the cinema hall? What made you go there? Sorry? Favorite actor? No, you went there for what? Watching cinema or drinking cold drink? Watch cinema, right? Why did you go to cinema? My question is that. What made you go to watch that cinema? You all watched the trailer, Baba. Unless you were convinced by the trailer, you would not go to watch the full movie. So Prabhupada says, Krishna comes to this world, he shows his beautiful form, he displays his beautiful Leela in Vrindavan, and he's saying, it's a trailer. Asli movie Vaikuntha mein chal raha hai. Aa udhar pe. So Krishna comes to this world to show us the trailer. Look at me and my devotees. How beautifully we engage in Leela. That's why he's saying, my karma is divya. Krishna is not performing. We do karma and we suffer our karma. When Krishna does it, when Krishna performs activities, it is called Leela. Hum kare to karma, Krishna kare to Leela. Krishna kare to Rasa Leela, hum kare to Raskal Leela. है ना? हम करे तो time pass, Krishna करे तो past time. है ना? That's the difference between Krishna and us, right? So, okay, how many of you know this place called Sri Rangam? Okay, कुछ अच्छे लोग भी अच्छी जगह भी जाते हैं आप लोग, ठीक है. So Sri Rangam, it's even today, it's the largest Hindu temple in the world, right? And very soon ISKCON is going to open in another 2 years. We are going to open the temple in Mayapur, Temple of Vedic Planetarium, and that will become the world's largest Hindu temple very soon. It will break the record of Sri Rangam, right? But Sri Rangam, this place, one time, so Ramanujacharya, the Acharya for Sri Sampradaya, very famous, Ramanujacharya is so famous. So Ramanujacharya one time, Ranganath was being carried, right, on the palanquin. The deities, small deities were being taken to roam around like that. So hua kya? Everyone is looking at Ranganath, so beautiful. But there was one man, Dhanurdas, he was holding an umbrella and he was looking at somebody who was below the umbrella. A lady was standing and he was looking at this lady. सब लोग रंगनाथ को देख रहे और सब लोग इसको देख रहे, कैसा आदमी है रे मूर्ख, भगवान का इतना सुंदर प्रोसेशन जा रहा है. Rather than looking at Ranganath, why is he looking at this lady like this? Ramanujacharya decided, let me go and talk to him. Ramanujacharya went to this man Dhanurdas and asked, what is this that you are looking at this lady? What attracts you? And this man said, I have never seen eyes more beautiful than this. Her eyes are so beautiful, I am attracted to her eyes, and that's her beauty. And Ramanujacharya said, if I show you eyes more beautiful than this, what will you do? बोला आज इसका कायल कल उसके लिए फिदा. ऐसा हो जाता है, कॉलेज में भी होता है. He said, I'll surrender my life to that person. If anybody has eyes more beautiful than these, Ramacharya said, come along with me. And if you go to Ranganath temple, it's an old traditional temple, and the deities are inside Garbhagruha. And generally South Indian temples, they will not put floodlights like this, right? You know why Prabhupada wanted floodlights in the temple? Prabhupada said, even if they keep their eyes open, they still cannot see. Better put lights, right? So, if you go to Ranganath temple, it's all dark, and the pujari will take one karpur, lit the karpur, and will show you. That's the feet, that's the hand, that's the face, these are the eyes. So Ramanujacharya said, now I will show you the eyes. And when Ranganath's eyes were shown, Ranganath के जब आँख दिखाया, इतना सुंदर भगवान का वो विग्रह, and इतनी सुंदर आँखें, Dhanurdas had tears in his eyes. They are so beautiful. What was I looking for? Some material beauty. This beauty of Ranganath is so beautiful. He is so beautiful. And Dhanurdas decided, I am giving my life to the Lord. मैं भगवान के लिए जीऊंगा. What? And he then asked Ramanujacharya, what is your instruction for me? What should I do now? Ramanujacharya said, I first of all want you to marry that lady. You marry that lady and then live your life a God-centered life. Right? And there is a story, we don't have time for it. नहीं तो पक्का 4 का 5 बज जाएगा. इसलिए we have 2 more reasons, right? To take the donkey to water. We are discussing only the first reason now. So Krishna's beauty, so our attraction to Krishna, right, is like iron filings getting attracted to magnet. In which condition iron filings don't get attracted to magnet? The magnet is rusted, right? Right? Magnet is rusted, right? What are you doing? Magnet doesn't get rusted. The iron filings get. So we are supposed to get attracted to Krishna, but we are rusted now. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, all these anarthas covering us do not allow us to get attracted to Krishna, right? So what do you need to do? Srila Prabhupada says, for the iron filings to once again, rusted iron filings to get attracted to the magnet, where should you work? On the iron filings. File the iron. Remove the rust, and once again the iron will get attracted to, the natural attraction will come up again. Prabhupada says that's why we chant the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The chanting of name of God, what does it do? कृष्ण को खुश करने के लिए. नो, कृष्ण को खुश नहीं कर रहे, भगवान पे कृपा नहीं कर रहे हम लोग भगवान का नाम लेकर. We are working on ourselves. The chanting of holy name cleanses our heart, which has become dirty and not getting attracted to Krishna. So Ramanujacharya introduced Dhanurdas to the beautiful eyes of Ranganath, right? So the donkey can be taken to water by showing the carrot. Krishna comes to this world, why? His beauty, his beautiful Leela, right? That should attract us. Wow, God is so attractive, Krishna is so attractive. That's why you find Tukaram Maharaj in Maharashtra, he says, Sundarate dhyana ubhe vitevari kar katavari thevuniya. He says, such beautiful form of Pandarinath, right? Pandharpur. He is standing with his hands on his, waist, right? And he's so beautiful. How come you are not attracted, he says, right? So, Pahina Shri Mukha Avadine. And Prabhupada would say, that's why ISKCON is opening so many temples. People will come, take beautiful darshan and get attracted to God, right? Just like a donkey can be taken, the first way is to show the carrot. Krishna comes to this world, his beautiful eternal form, right? His beautiful Leela. They all work like a trailer to attract us for the complete movie, which is happening where? Not here, where? In the spiritual world, in the Vaikuntha. The second way, that the donkey can be taken to water. And who is the donkey here? We all, right? Who are not ready to go back home, we are not ready to go to Vaikuntha. The second way is अब donkey पे चिल्लाना पड़ता है ना? ऐसा चिल्लाना पड़ता है उसके ऊपर, उसको चिल्लाया तब उसको लगता है कुछ तो करना चाहिए, शायद हिलने को बोल रहा है, राइट? कैरेट दिखा के भी काम नहीं हो रहा तो अभी चिल्लाना पड़ता है, राइट? You have to loudly shout in the ears, right? That's why Srila Prabhupada would say, when we are born, the 5 senses we have, the first sense, which are the 5 senses actually? We have 5 or we are 5 senses or we are senseless? We have 5 senses, right? Which are those 5? Eyes, nose, ये सबके पास है, ऐसा दूसरे देखो कौन सा है, कौन सा है तेरे पास, कौन सा है मेरे पास, सबके पास है. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. You know which is the first sense that comes to us, becomes active? Ears. And which is the last one to go? The ears. The first to get and the last one to go is ears. Also, Krishna has given us 2 ears and 1 mouth. Sun zyada bol kam. Sun. What did Krishna do? कृष्ण का डांटना कैसा या कृष्ण का मनाना कैसा है? भगवत गीता. कृष्णा स्पोक आउट. लिसन टू कृष्णा's वर्ड्स. अगर देख के नहीं समझ रहे तो सुनो अभी. हियर अबाउट कृष्णा. द मोर वी हियर अबाउट कृष्णा, द मोर विल बिकम इंटरेस्टेड. वाह, what is this world that I am attracted to? A world of suffering, right? Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, this world is dukkhalaya. Right? In Pustakalaya, what do you expect to get? Pustaka. In Aushadhalaya, Aushadha. Right? In Meghalaya, Megha. In Shauchalaya, what do you expect? In Dukkhalaya. But what are we expecting in this world? See? What a wrong expectation. But unless we hear बनाने वाले से जब तक सुनेंगे नहीं ना, दुनिया बनाने वाले क्यों बनाई? ही इज टेलिंग अस, मैंने दुखालय बनाया है, ट्राई करके देख लो बेटा, सफरिंग ही आएगा, मिजरी ही आएगा, कुछ भी कर लो, कोशिश कर लो, बट हम लोग जब तक सुनेंगे नहीं, समझेंगे नहीं. श्रील प्रभुपाद वॉज इन मेक्सिको एंड एवरीवेयर इट वॉज रिटन इन मेक्सिकन. तो प्रभुपाद को कुछ समझ नहीं रहा, क्या लिखा. तो प्रभुपाद के साथ एक डिवोटी थे, उनका नाम तो हृदयानंद मार है, उनका नाम है. ही न्यू मेक्सिकन. तो प्रभुपाद उनको पूछते थे, ये क्या लिखा है, वो क्या लिखा है, ये क्या लिखा है. प्रभुपाद सॉ ह्यूज ट्रक, उस ट्रक पे मेक्सिकन में कुछ तो लिखा था. सो प्रभुपाद आस्क्ड हिम, व्हाट इज रिटन देयर ऑन दिस ह्यूज ट्रक? एंड दिस डिवोटी सेड, प्रभुपाद, इट इज रिटन गार्बेज ट्रक, पुट योर गार्बेज हियर. Prabhupada said, then the whole material world should be put into it. See, Krishna is saying Dukkhalaya and the pure devotee is telling, this is what this world is. Garbage dump. उसको इससे ज़्यादा value देना नहीं चाहिए. One place Prabhupada says, just as a person will pass stool in the bathroom, in the restroom, and simply leave that place, not remain there, making the toilet a happy place to be. No, nobody does that. Do your job and get out. Prabhupada says similarly this world. Do your job. You have to be here, but don't remain here, right? Be in this world, but not of this world. Jesus would say. Be in this world, but don't remain in this world. Prepare. Whatever time I have in the human form of life, how do I utilize it to get out of this world? Jesus would say, human form of life is like a bridge. It is meant to be crossed. Don't try to make a house on the bridge. But what do? हमारा फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़ है, छूटता ही नहीं, ऐसा चिपक के बैठे. Krishna is coming and speaking Bhagavad Gita. His devotees are giving Bhagavatam. Prabhupada is preaching. So many programs. सुनते हैं लेकिन 5 मिनट के बाद फिर भूल जाते हैं. प्रभु जी दुखालय है लेकिन थोड़ा तो सुख है ना, थोड़ा सुख. प्रभु जी, what should we do? We should understand. No, Prabhupada would say, this world is not a fit place for a gentleman or a gentle lady. Prabhupada. A gentleman or a gentle lady would not want to live here. They would prepare, let me get out. But what happens to us? We all want to become a big man in this world, a big lady. मैं जब छोटा था तो किसी को पूछता था कहानी बताओ, तो पता है मुझे क्या कहानी बताते थे? 2 लाइन का कहानी। 2 लाइन का कहानी क्या था पता है? एक था राजा एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए खत्म कहानी। बट सबको राजा बनने की इच्छा है, सबको रानी बनने की इच्छा है। अरे खत्म कहानी रे बाबा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला। प्रिपेयर नॉट टू बिकम ग्रेट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, prepare how do you get out of this world. The world is not just for existing, we should also prepare how to exit from this world. Art of living is good, but art of dying, and how do I get out of this world, and where will I go after this, that has to be prepared for. So Prabhupada says, what should we do? We prepare ourselves, right? Etava janma safalyam देहिनाम इह देहेषु प्राणैर अर्थैर धिया वाचा श्रेयः आचरणम सदा. प्रभुपाद सेज यू हैव गॉट दिस ह्यूमन फॉर्म, है ना. आत्मा को ये जब मनुष्य जन्म मिला है 84 लाख योनियों में भटकते भटकते मिला है. बहुत रेयर है, बहुत रेयर. यू विल से अरे प्रभु जी 128 करोड़ तो इंडिया में 130 हो गए, इतने सारे. कैन यू काउंट हाउ मेनी मच्छर, हाउ मच ऑल ग्रास, मच्छर, जानवर, कितना पॉपुलेशन है, हर जगह आत्मा है. बट दिस ह्यूमन फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ इज वेरी रेयर एंड नो गारंटी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट अगेन. दिस व्हेन आत्मा हैज गॉट दिस ह्यूमन फॉर्म, इट इज मेंट दैट आई प्रिपेयर टू गो बैक होम, back to God, to go back to the spiritual world, to go back where Krishna is calling us. You are not a fit person in this world. As soul, as Atma, you get out of this world, right? पर होता क्या है, जिंदगी भर सुन रहे हम लोग, लेक्चर सुने, गीता पढ़ा, कुछ होता नहीं. और मरने के बाद भी लोग, मर जाता है उसके बाद भी उसको बोलते राम नाम सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य. अरे पर मर गया, अभी क्या सुना रहे उसको? जो जा रहे पीछे उनको पूछो, राम नाम सत्य, बाकी सब झूठे, छोड़ दे बाकी सब. क्या बात कर रहे हैं प्रभु जी आप, ऐसे कैसे? नहीं, तूने बोला ना राम नाम सत्य है. यू ओनली सेड ओनली राम्स नेम विल गो विथ यू. देन व्हाई आर यू होल्डिंग ऑन विथ दिस वर्ल्ड? वी आर सो अटैच्ड, वी आर सो अटैच्ड. इट्स नॉट ईजी टू टेक अस आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. So what does Krishna do? The first thing, how does Krishna inspire us to go out of this world? Carrot, his beauty. Second way Krishna inspires us to go out of this world is, right? One time, Srila Prabhupada, somebody said, Prabhupada, we went for Sankirtan on the street, right? And people don't want to hear. Prabhupada said, catch them, hold their ear and chant Hare Krishna loudly. They don't. Why Sankirtan has to be done? People don't want to come to temple. They don't want to hear. Then you have to go on the street and do Kirtan. At least listen to it now, right? So the donkey has to be loudly shouted at. The last and the third way, Prabhupada says, is जब बातों के भूत लातों से नहीं, लातों के भूत फिर गधे को मारना पड़ता है. द डोंकी हैज टू बी बीटन. लास्ट आइटम इज बीटन. प्रभुपाद वुड गिव दिस स्टोरी. प्रभुपाद बोलते थे कि एक बार एक ससुर जी ने क्या किया, अपने तीनों बेटियों और जवाइयों को बोला घर में फंक्शन है, आ जाओ. और तीनों जवाई आए, फंक्शन के लिए आए. और अभी अब जवाई आए और मस्त खाने को मिल रहे. सुबह दोपहर शाम घी में तली हुई पूरियाँ, हलवा, स्वीट सब आ रहा है. फंक्शन खत्म हो गया तब भी कोई जाने का नाम नहीं ले रहा. तीनों जवाई में से मस्त चल रहा है, आराम से चलने दो. फिर ससुर जी ने बेटे को बुलाया, अरे क्या करने का, बहुत खर्च हो रहा है, ये तो जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे, है ना. तो बेटे ने बोला, पापा एक काम करो, घी बंद करो, तेल में चालू कर दो सब कुछ. अभी एक जवाई को बेइज्जती लगे, क्या कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ, मैं जवाई हूँ, आई एम द सन इन लॉ, तेल का बना हुआ खिलाते, हम केवल घी का खाते, मैं नहीं रहूँगा यहाँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ. एक चला गया. फिर बचे 2, ये तेल का भी खाने को तैयार ये तेल की पूरियाँ खाने को तैयार है. और तब भी ससुर जी सोच रहे अब क्या करूं, ये दोनों चिपक गए, जाने का नाम नहीं ले रहे, क्या करूं, है ना। तो फिर इन्होंने बोला पापा, बेटे ने बोला पापा एक काम करो, केवल चावल और दाल खिलाओ बस, बाकी सब बंद कर दो। तो जो दूसरे जवाई जी थी उनको बेइज्जती लग गया, क्या कर रहे मेरे साथ, ऐसा करते जवाई को बुला के केवल चावल और दाल खिलाते, पीली दाल, मुझे नहीं रहना, मैं जा रहा हूं। दूसरा चला गया, तीसरा फिर भी चिपका हुआ है बोले चावल दाल तो आ रहा है, आने दो। तो बेटे को पूछा करने का क्या, ये तो जाने का नाम नहीं ले रहा। तो बेटे ने निकाला एक बाम्बू, उसको लगाया तेल और बोला पापा जो अब मारो बाम्बू से इसको, जब मार पड़ेगी ना उसकी बिना जाएगा नहीं। जैसा ही डंडा देखा ये जवाई ने बोला इतनी बेइज्जती, मैं जा रहा छोड़ के। तो प्रभुपाद स्टोरी क्या बोलते पता है, समझ गए आपको, हम कौन है, पहला जवाई, दूसरा जवाई कि तीसरा वाला, हम तीसरे वाले हैं। छूट ही नहीं रहा, जा ही नहीं रहे, इधर ही चिपक के बैठे हैं। फिर वो गधे के साथ क्या करना पड़ता है, वो गधे को डंडा मारना पड़ता है। गधे को डंडा मारो तब जाके गधा चलने को चलता है ना। व्हाट डज माया डू, प्रभुपाद सेज जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि, these are all beatings we are getting, our plans get foiled and we are like भगवान कुछ बचा लो। most people will come to God when their plans get foiled, right, then their plans go bust, when material world shows its real face, जब मार पड़ती है तब समझता है। अमिताभ बच्चन सिनेमा में दिखेगा आपको, डॉक्टर जब बताएगा ना हमारे हाथ में तो नहीं है, अब ऊपर वाला ही बचा सकता है। और वो अमिताभ बच्चन जो अभी तक सिर्फ हीरोइन को लेके गार्डन में नाचता था, वो अमिताभ बच्चन अभी आपको मंदिर में दिखेगा, एक 5 मिनट का सॉन्ग मंदिर में घंटी बजाते हुए, है ना। और होगा क्या, उसके बाद जब आएगा अरे भगवान बचा लिया मेरे रिलेटिव को, बचा लिया आपने, क्या किया, जब तक मार नहीं पड़ती तब तक हम लोग झुकते नहीं, तब तक हम लोग मानते नहीं। सो व्हाट डज कृष्णा डू, कृष्णा अरेंजेस द 3, प्रभुपाद से 3 ताप, आदि भौतिक, आध्यात्मिक एंड आदि दैविक। व्हाट इज आदि भौतिक ताप, कुछ मत करो ये शरीर तकलीफ देगा, देगा ही आपको। आदि भौतिक ताप में क्या हो जाएगा, आदि भौतिक मीन्स पीपल अराउंड यू विल गिव ट्रबल टू यू, कुछ किया नहीं दूसरे ट्रबल देंगे आपको। एंड इफ दैट वाज नॉट लेस, आदि दैविक, देवता लोग, कुछ तो भूकंप आएगा, कुछ तो सुनामी आएगा, कुछ तो बारिश ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बारिश कम हो जाएगा, दैट ताप विल कंटिन्यू। एंड इफ दैट इज नॉट, if this is not the last ताप is your own mind and senses will give you ताप, कुछ नहीं होगा, मन तकलीफ देगा। is there any time where we have not got beatings? we get beatings right left and center, तब भी हमारी गाड़ी हिलती नहीं, है ना। सो द डोंकी क्यों नहीं हिलता, अब मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ, राइट। द स्टोरी इज, एक बार एक गधा था और ये गधा बहुत डांट खाता था, बहुत मार खाता था, तब भी ये गधा क्या करता था, और बाकी गधे आके बोलते थे अरे देख कितना अच्छा घास है ना, सब जगह अवेलेबल है, उसके लिए इतना काय को मेहनत करता है, इतना डांट खाता है, इतना मार खाता है, तो क्यों मेहनत करता है उस धोबी के लिए इतना, वाई आर यू वर्किंग सो हार्ड। तो एक गधा बोला तुम लोग बहुत गधे हो। लोग क्या बात करें, हम ही लोग गधे हैं। बोला हाँ तुम बहुत गधे हैं। बोला मालूम मेरे पास ऐसा रीज़न है जो तुम लोग समझ ही नहीं सकते कभी। बोला बता देना बता देना, क्या रीज़न है, क्यों मेहनत करता है तू गधे के लिए, क्यों इस माया की दुनिया में रहना चाहता है। और ये गधा बोला मालूम मैं बहुत ध्यान रखता हूँ घर के अंदर क्या चलता है। मैंने एक बार ध्यान से सुना, वो जो धोबी की बेटी है ना, वो धोबी की बेटी ने कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया, और धोबी ने बेटी को डांटते हुए बोला अगले बार गलती की ना तेरी शादी उस गधे से कर दूंगा। तो मैं वेट कर रहा हूं कभी तो गलती करेगी और मेरी शादी उसके बेटी से। इतने पागल है हम लोग, इतना इस संसार में पागल होके बैठे हैं। इसी संसार में चाहिए, व्हाट डज कृष्णा डू, एवरी जन्माष्टमी वी सेलिब्रेट, वाई कृष्णा कम्स टू दिस वर्ल्ड, गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू माई ब्यूटी, गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू माई इंस्ट्रक्शंस, otherwise then I have kept Maya. When Maya beats, everyone has to come down, bow down. When all attempts fail, दे विल टेल यू अब भगवान ही बचा सकते हैं, गो टू गॉड. अभी हमारी होशियारी क्या होगी इस जन्माष्टमी में? डू यू वॉन्ट टू वेट फॉर द बीटिंग? डू यू वॉन्ट टू वेट टू गेट शाउटेड एट? और यू सिंपली कम, यस कृष्णा, आई बिलोंग टू यू. I'm supposed to get attracted to you. Let me, you are making an attempt to come to this world and attract me and take me back. Let me also come to you. रेलवे स्टेशन तक ट्रेन आ जाएगी, ट्रेन स्टेशन तक तो मुझको जाना पड़ेगा, राइट? उतना तो एफर्ट मुझको लेना पड़ेगा. फ्लाइट विल कम टिल द एयरपोर्ट, बट आई हैव टू गो टिल द एयरपोर्ट. आई हैव टू मेक दैट अटेम्प्ट, एंड व्हेन आई डू इट, our attempt is like baby attempt. You know, baby steps, कितना बड़ा step है. But when we take that sincere step, our baby step, then Krishna takes the Vamandev step. Right? We may make our baby attempt. This Janmashtami, let me come, be with devotees. Let me try to understand. Right? Let me become a devotee. You make a little attempt, and Krishna makes that Vamandev step. Krishna takes. Right? Another understanding I'll give is, you find sometimes small babies, small kids, they are about to talk, थोड़ा कुछ तो बड़बड़ करते हैं. And generally these young couples, they'll bring their children to me. प्रभु जी देखो ना हमारा बच्चा क्या बोल रहा है, वो प्रभुपाद बोल रहा है. और जो बच्चे को बोलने को बोला ना, पू कुछ तो बोलता है. मुझको पुप्पू सुनाई दे रहा है और पेरेंट्स को प्रभुपाद सुनाई दे रहा है. मेरे को समझता नहीं ऐसे कैसे होता है. कान मेरे पास, कान उनके पास, इनको कैसे सुनाई देता है? That's love. Love makes the parents hear the unsaid. Krishna loves us. Our little attempt to try to chant his name, right? Our little attempt for bhakti, Krishna sees it with magnifying glass. Wow! इतने जन्मों भटकाए, अभी तो पलटा है मेरे पास, अभी तो आया है. He has come back to me. And Krishna takes it as, oh, you'll find in the verse in Gita, Krishna says, Udar. Krishna says, you have come to me, you are a magnanimous soul, Krishna says. Udara sarva etaiste. Krishna is saying, I feel grateful that my devotee has turned back to me. Krishna makes the attempt to come from his spiritual world, Vaikuntha, to reclaim us back. A little attempt, this Janmashtami we all can make. Don't remain the donkey who was waiting for the girl to commit a mistake so that I'll get married. Become the donkey who gets attracted to Krishna. Become that donkey who gets attracted to Krishna's instruction. Or at least become that donkey जो मार खाए तो सुधर जाए. Right? Thank you very much. जन्माष्टमी महा महोत्सव की जय. शील प्रभुपाद की जय. निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Thank you. Actually, I was going to go till 4 o'clock, but Priya Gopish was looking at me. So I had to stop. Right? Yes. Any questions, any comments you have, you can give that. Any reflections you would like to share? I would love to hear from all of you also. Yeah, give the mic here.
You talked about Krishna took birth, but means
Do you-
what's the difference
do you-
between
do you take-
Janma and Avatar? Means my question.
Do you take birth?
Yes.
No. Your body takes birth.
Yes. No.
For the soul, there is no birth. Every morning when the sun, you see the sun. Do you say sun took birth? And when you cannot see, do you say sun is dead? We say sun rises and sun sets. See, Krishna appears and Krishna disappears. We see Krishna and then we don't see Krishna. God is not dead. God is always there. As soul, we don't die. We always live.
So means what's the difference between Janma and Avatar?
Okay, what is Janma? So Janma is appearance. Avatar means avatarati iti avatar. Right? Like which floor are you on now? This is which floor? नहीं बोलने दो ना उनको, वो भी आए ऊपर चढ़ के आए. You are on the third floor.
Third floor.
You are on the third floor, let's say. Somebody down, when you, let's say you go from third floor to ground floor, you have done avataran. You have come down. अगर कोई नीचे खड़ा है और बोले अरे अभी पैदा हुआ आया, अरे पैदा नहीं हुआ, ऊपर से नीचे आया रे. अवतार मीन्स दे आर ऑलरेडी देयर इन देयर अबोर्ड. अभी वो वैकुंठ में वो नीचे आते हैं. संभवामी युगे युगे, हर युग में अलग अलग अवतार आते हैं. दे आर ऑलवेज देयर. वेयर इज लॉर्ड राम नाउ?
He took samadhi.
Samadhi? What do you mean by samadhi? Where is he? That's the question. Okay, I'll give you another example. One time, one couple would come for my program, young couple, they came to me to the temple and they said, प्रभु जी आप बच लो, आप बच के रहो, मेरी मम्मी गांव से आई है, बहुत गुस्सा है आपके ऊपर. मैं बोला मैं तो पहचानता भी नहीं आपकी मम्मी को, गुस्सा क्यों है? बोला प्रभु जी उनको बहुत खराब लगता है कि हमारे घर में हम दुर्गा का उपासना करते थे, आपके प्रोग्राम अटेंड करने लग गए, तब से कृष्ण का नाम लेने लग गए हम लोग, बहुत गुस्सा है आपसे. मैं बोला आने दो शाम को. एंड द लेडी केम, ओल्ड लेडी केम टू मीट मी एंड शी वॉज एक्चुअली एंग्री. आपने अच्छा नहीं किया, आपने बहुत खराब किया. एंड आई वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू हर, अरे बाबा वी हैव भगवद गीता, वी आर कीपिंग इन फ्रंट. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू मैं उनको बहला फुसला नहीं रहा, राइट. आई हैव नॉट गिवन देम मनी चेंज योर रिलीजन. वी आर डिस्कसिंग भगवद गीता, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वी आर डूइंग थिंग्स इन नॉलेज. तब भी वो गुस्सा दिखाई जा रही. तो मैंने उनको बोला ठीक है आप दुर्गा का उपासना करते. तो मैंने उनको पूछा मेरे को बताओ दुर्गा मर गई कि जिंदा है? जिंदा है कि मर गई? पुरानी तो बहुत हो गई बहुत पुरानी हो गई दुर्गा, फिर मर गई कि जिंदा है? शी इज थिंकिंग. आई सेड लुक एट यू, आप वर्शिप कर रहे हैं, आपको इतना विश्वास नहीं कि दुर्गा जिंदा है कि मर गई, उतना ही विश्वास नहीं आपको. मैं बोला आपको न्यूज़ दूं दुर्गा जिंदा है? बोला मुझको पता था, मुझे पता था. ठीक है, अगर आपको पता था ना, अब ये बताओ दुर्गा किधर रहती है? जिंदा है तो कहीं तो रहती होगी. फिर सोचने लग गई किधर रहती होगी. आई सेड सी यू, वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, यू आर नॉट डूइंग इन नॉलेज, यू आर डूइंग इट इन इग्नोरेंस. अज्ञान में चल रहा है आपका काम और उसके ऊपर गर्व कर रहे हैं. अज्ञान में कर रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर गर्व है. अरे ज्ञान के साथ करो भाई, नॉलेज के साथ करो. सो दीज देवतास हमको टीवी में दिखाते, ये बादल के पीछे छुपे और वहाँ से फूलों की वृष्टि वर्षा करते हैं और वहाँ से डर के. और कुछ लोग फ्लाइट में जाके बोलते अरे बादल के पीछे तो कुछ नहीं था मैंने देखा क्लाउड्स के पीछे कुछ नहीं था. अरे बाबा, द अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज योर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ अर्थ, आयरन, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, अर्थ, वाटर, fire, air, ether. The devatas, their body is made of ether only. Brahmaji, his body is only intelligence. There is no gross elements there, right? So these devatas, they exist, but they exist in a very subtle realm. Sukshma hai wo sabke saath, right? Subtle realm they exist. So the devatas are alive, they live for a long time. है ना? किसको स्वर्गवास क्यों चाहिए? लंबे समय तक स्वर्ग में रहने को मिलेगा, मृत्यु इतने जल्दी आता नहीं उधर पे, राइट. सो दीज पर्सनैलिटीज, देवतास, दे लिव. कृष्णा ऑल्सो लिव्स. कृष्णा लिव्स इन ए स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड एंड ही कम्स टू दिस वर्ल्ड टू कैनवास, कम बैक टू मी, राइट. सो अवतार मीन्स वन हु सिंपली कम्स. राम कम्स, नरसिंहदेव कम्स. इट्स नॉट नरसिंहदेव सडनली ए मेकअप कर जल्दी जाने का है. नरसिंहदेव ऑलवेज इज देयर, राम इज ऑलवेज देयर. They simply come down, perform their leela and they go back. And why do they perform leela? Like a trailer. Get attracted to any forms of God. All the avatars go back to him. And Krishna is the source of all avatars. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Any other question? Comment? No? We'll do Kirtan. 5 minutes. Announcements? Okay, please come. Come forward.
Thanks, Prabhuji, for a wonderful session. Let's say 3 times loudly, Hari Bol. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! So, today is 2nd of August. I think 16th of August, we are going to celebrate something. What are we going to celebrate? Yeah, so Janmashtami is there. We are going to celebrate it. We are going to have a Bhavya Janmashtami Utsav, the PGP farmhouse. So, I think Prabhuji also talked about Janma Karam Chamri Dibyam. So, when we are talking about Dibyam, Bhagwan ka Janm, now we are going to celebrate the Janmashtami also very Dibya, right? So, now, I was also reflecting, I was reading that shloka, Patram Pushpam Phalam Tuham Yo Mene Bhaktya Prayachati Tadham Bhaktiyo Apriyatam Asnami pratatmana, right? So it means that what, let me read the purport, but I, at a high level, what I understood, that whatever you offer with love, he accepts it, whether it's a patra, pushpa, phal or jal, right? So anyway, he accepts anything, right? So whatever we are doing today, or we are reaching out to people, trying to ask for something, so that they offer something to Krishna, right? That is how we are offering, right? So there are two type of offerings. What we are doing, we are reaching out to people, serving Krishna, asking for something, so that we are able to serve Krishna. Now, second offering, what they are doing, we are helping them to offer to Krishna. Ultimately, he is going to accept our offering, and we are helping them to offer something to Krishna, right? So these two offerings we are doing it. So now, because I have seen the Krishna says, we are so excited, we are raising the funds, and I have seen the Pavan Prabhuji is doing very good job there, and I would request Pavan Prabhuji to come and then share his experiences, how he is able to motivate people, and then providing opportunity to the people to serve Krishna. Hari Bol.
हरे कृष्णा थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होगा कि हाउ आई एम मैनेजिंग ऑल दोज थिंग बताना, बट आई फील लाइक समवन इज़ बैकग्राउंड हेल्पिंग मी. मैं एक्चुअली मुकेश प्रभु ने बोला कि सभी को रीच करना है, लाइक कि फैमिली मेम्बर्स, फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव के रिलेटिव्स. सो इन स्टार्टिंग लाइक कि थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन था कि कैसे बोलूँ किसी को, क्या अप्रोच करूँ कि उनसे फंड लिया जाए, डोनेशन कलेक्ट किया जाए. तो स्टार्टिंग लाइक मैं अपने फैमिली से स्टार्ट किया, फिर फैमिली रिलेटिव के पास गया, रिलेटिव से फिर उनके रिलेटिव के पास गया, और सभी को अप्रोच किया, उनको मैसेज किया. फ्रेंड्स लाइक कि जो फ्रेंड मेरे डे टू डे कनेक्ट में हैं, जो फ्रेंड हमसे ऑलमोस्ट 3-4-5 ईयर बैक थे बट अभी कनेक्ट में नहीं हैं, तो थोड़ा होता है कि कैसे उनको अप्रोच करें, कैसे उनको बोले कि कुछ डोनेट करो. सो विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन मैंने सबको कनेक्ट किया, मैसेज किया, और उनसे बात भी किया. सो लाइक इट्स समहाउ हैपनिंग. हाँ, और जैसे प्रभु जी ने बोला कि मैं तो कनेक्टेड हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे पीछे और जो भी रिलेटिव हैं, फैमिली मेम्बर है, वो भी कनेक्ट हो. बोला जाता है कि तन की शुद्धता जो होती है स्नान करने से होती है, मन की शुद्धता हरिनाम करने से, और पैसे की शुद्धता दान करने से. तो बस यही अप्रोच लेकर के मैं सभी से बात करता हूँ और उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि इस कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी में हम लोगों का हेल्प करें, कृष्णा जन्माष्टमी को अच्छे तरह से मनाने में, और जो फंड लगेगा डोनेशन है वो कर सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट मैटर कि लाइक यू हैव टू डू दिस अमाउंट, 100 रुपये ही करो. आई वांट योर नेम टू बी लिस्टेड देयर. मैं ऐसे बोला कि आपका नाम चाहिए, डोनेशन लिंक पे क्लिक करो, नाम डालो, 100 रुपये ही डालो, बट डालो. सो नाम, वो नेम शुड बी लिस्टेड देयर. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम अप्रोचिंग द पीपल. सो हरे कृष्ण.
Thank you, Pawan Prabhu, for such a good motivation, and you are able to motivate people. Now, I think in Janmashtami we are talking about Bhavya Janmashtami. So Janmashtami we will be doing a lot of things, and it's not that we are maybe Bhaktas are doing Janmashtami in a different way. The people does lot of rituals also. But what is the difference when Bhaktas doing Janmashtami? They are putting their spirits, and then rituals becomes spiritual, right? So now. We are definitely planning to do certain spiritual activities. One of them is Krishna Abhishek. We are going to do Abhishekam. So why should we do Abhishek? What are we going to, because we are in material world, we always look for benefits. What advantage we are going to, what are we going to get it, right? So I was just going through Skanda Puran, and Skanda Puran, one of the verses. So what it says, यो भक्त्या स्नपेत देवम शालिग्रामम जनार्दनम या शायाति परमम स्थानम विष्णुना सहि मोदते. The meaning of it, one who watches the Lord with love lives with him eternally. So what it says, if you are doing Abhishek, right? So what you are going to get, you are going to live with him eternally, right? So you are going to be there in an eternal abode, right? So ultimately, what are we, so Abhishekam is something which is going to give us opportunity to at least, what is the ultimate goal for a bhakta? We all want to go to eternal abode of the God, right? So we are, first thing, we should also try to, definitely bhaktas might get the opportunity to do Abhishek. Now Abhishek also happens with, especially in bhaktas, how they do, they offer multiple things, milk products, milk, curd, honey, various juices of fruit and all. So what we are doing now this time, we wanted to give this opportunity to everyone. And everyone, when I say everyone, so we are just putting certain cards. Let me show that cards. So there is going to be one card. So this card, so when you are going for a fundraising, maybe what you can do is, you can distribute this in societies. So what is going to happen, because this card, what you are saying is, you give this card to the person who is going to donate or give some offering, the 1,116 rupees, and then 2 family members, they can be allowed with this card, right? So now, first thing, we all should take it, and I think during Prasadam, what we'll do is, we'll be putting a desk. At that time, you can collect at least 10 cards. Especially, I'm requesting the people who are part of Krishna Sena. They are already doing very good service. You can take these 10 cards, try to motivate, distribute these cards. This will help to raise the fund, as well as we are helping others also to get the, when I said benefit, right? Benefit of Krishna Abhishek. And we are going to get purity. Our negative karmas are going to be killed. So Iskan Puran, that the purport says lot of things. It says, if you are doing Abhishek, you are going to get a purity, your heart and body is going to be, material desires are going to be purified, your negative karmas are going to be killed. So there are a lot of benefits. If you are talking to somebody who is not a bhakta also, you can talk about these benefits and let them come and then participate. That's what I wanted to talk about it. I'll just give the mic to Rajiv Bro for the distribution.
Thank you, bro. This one, please. So every week, first of all, thank you so much, Mukesh Prabhu, for sharing details about the Abhishek service and about encouraging devotees for contributing something as a part of Krishna Janmashtami, because it is definitely going to help and spread Harinam in this area. Thank you so much. And in the next section, I mean, as you all know, like every week after class, Lakshmi Mataji is sharing a lot of questions in the form of quiz, and devotees are enthusiastically participating. And so this week, I mean, we just want to announce top 3 winners for that. And I really want to request, starting with Shruti Govil Mataji. Mataji, if you are here, please come. Prabhuji. Gift. So, loud Haribol for Mataji once again. And next one is Manisha Rawat Mataji. Haribol. So every week, like, devotees are, participating in this quiz, and Mataji is sharing link. So I request all devotees to participate in this one. And the last one is Pradvi Raj Prabhuji. Haribol. Thank you so much, Prabhu. Thank you so much, Prabhu. So basically, you can use this badge on your bead bag. So this will be a good inspiration while chanting. So that's how it is going to help. Thank you so much. Haribol. Yeah.
Hare Krishna. So we have one more announcement. As we know that today class happened on Saturday to get the association of the Prabhuji. So a wonderful class happened today. But do you know what we are doing tomorrow? What? Yes. So we have seen the trailer already. And tomorrow we are going to watch the movie. So movie programs came that we are going to Atrium Mall, and the movie will start around 5:15 p.m. So we will send the details to everyone. Everyone need to reach on time, maybe 15 minutes before. We can do little Sankirtan there itself. And you know, even that lot of devotees are taking kartal inside and then doing kirtan, whatnot and all. But you know, everyone, whoever signed up for that, please come on time. We will reach like a 30-minute before there. We will send the Google locations over there. So everyone come, park your car, and don't come like, oh, movie started and you are coming 10 minutes after. So come like a 30-minute, because look at the traffic and all those things. And yeah, and maybe that if you did not sign up yet, you might be thinking, oh, you know, sab to ja rahe hain, main to reh gaya, ya main to reh gayi, right? So there we still have around 10 seats. We have already booked 10 extra seats because we know some people come on last minute. So if anyone wanted to, you know, sign up still, so Trivikram Prabhu is there behind. Please meet with them or talk to me. We will take your name as well, and then arrange the tickets for you. So that it will be very good fun when all of us will go together. We are booking the whole theater kind of, and then पूरा अपना congregation एक साथ movie देखेगा, तो it will be all fun. So please come and reach on time. And if you did not sign up, then you know, take the more tickets. So thank you so much. Very well. We'll have a aarti now, and after that prasadam.
जय जय श्री निमानिताय भगवान की, राधा मदन मोहन भगवान की, प्रभुपाद की। यशोमती नंदन ब्रज भरना घरा, यशोमती नंदन ब्रज भरना घरा।